Hey everyone, it's Amber Dawn. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do an unboxing from ThredUp. I haven't done one of these ThredUp unboxing videos since pre-COVID, so it's been a minute, it's been a few months. I'm super excited. If you've been watching for a while, you know that the men's boxes are my favorites and shoes are number 2. Both of those are out of stock. That's why I haven't done any in a while. I've been waiting, but they're not coming in stock. I don't know when. So this is a women's mixed sizes mixed lot, 25 items for $60. I did have to pay shipping, so $65.99 total. 25 items, mixed items. Let's open it up and see what I got. Alright, so opening it up. Woo! Okay, so now they're sending verified, correct order, quantity enclosed, and has initials. So that's really cool. That's something that they haven't done before, or since I've been ordering, I've never gotten that. And also, this is packaged really, really well. I've been taking out some of these things, but normally it looks like a hot mess when I'm unpacking. Alright. Let's see. And everything is folded pretty nicely. Okay, ThredUp. I'll take that. So, let's start with the first item. It is black, left of center, size medium. Just looks like just a basic long sleeve black shirt. And also that's a brand I'm unfamiliar of, left of center. Let me know if you guys have heard of that brand. I have not. Next item, Victoria Sport, size large. And yep, so Victoria Sport. Oh, wow. So these are super cute. And you can see the detail on the legging throughout. It's a burgundy. So that item right there will make up a good chunk of what I paid for it already. Next item, we have Michael Kors, size 10. And it looks like dress pants. Yep, gray dress pants, size 10, Michael Kors. Already loving this box, and now I remember why I love ThredUp unboxing videos so much. Next item, oh my gosh, Tory Burch, you guys. So, Tory Burch, size 2. It's a purple tank. Love it. I will have to get all of these items cleaned so I can list them ASAP. Next item we have, I do not see a tag anywhere. Let me look down bottom. Okay, so this item, it's 100% silk. It does not have a tag, nor does it have the size, but it looks like it is off the shoulder, and then it just ties in the front. Like you can see, it ties right there. Just an off the shoulder shirt. I'll have to do some digging. This might be a donation because I don't know the brand, don't know the size. If I don't know the size, I can always measure it, but the brand, I don't know. You guys let me know what you would do in this situation. Next item, let's see what this is. Ayla Popkin. I don't know. Size 28 or 30. This is the tag. So I don't know that brand. I'm wanting to say this is just like a tunic or t-shirt. I don't think this is a dress, but abstract print, short sleeves. I'm not familiar with the brand, so I don't know the comps or anything like that for that item. Next, we have Soft Joey, size small. Looks like a dress, denim, faded denim dress. Sorry if you heard my phone, it just was vibrating off the chain. So this looks like a faded or ombre dress. Next item we have is purple BP in the size medium, just a basic short sleeve. I think that's a V-neck, or yeah, so short sleeve purple shirt. Next item we have Meadow Rue. Let's see what the size is. Size is small as well. This is an ivory short sleeve. You can see the detailing on it. I really like that. Moving on, another black. This is Ann Taylor Loft, size medium. Button up cardigan, long sleeves. This is just a good basic to have to go with everything. Next we have J. Crew extra small. This is a plaid shirt. I love the sleeves, you guys. I love any details to sleeves, things like this, so sucker for that. But I actually love this shirt. It's super cute. And I love the material as well. Next item, we have pineapple print. Love pineapple. And this is Soprano size small. I don't know that brand, but it looks like it's a off-the-shoulder dress. It's unlined, cute striped with pineapple design on it. Next item, this looks like a crop. Freshman, extra small crop. So not much to that, but that's what it looks like. And then the back is just plain. The next item is, let's find the tag. So this is brand, so this is Under Armour. You can see right there, but I am not seeing a tag anywhere. So this might be another one that I have to measure to get the sizing, but it looks like maybe a medium or a large, and then it has just a cutout in the back, but it is Under Armour. The next item is Max Studio, size small, and this is what it looks like. Short sleeve, it's got the bubble hem. And we are moving right through this box. There's not too much left, but it was folded really nice, so I'm super thankful that ThredUp's got it together with the rescue boxes. So, next item we have Winter Silks size medium. I think we had all the good brands right on top. It's okay, I will still make my money back on this. So this is a short sleeve shirt, lace detailing. It's like, I'm not sure if you can tell, it's like a sky blue, really pretty sky blue color. Next is American Eagle. Oh my gosh, I love this. So this is a size extra large, and it is a open cardigan. It does button, and it might be 3/4 sleeves, pockets. It's just a nice like oatmeal color. It's not, it kind of looks like gray, but it's not. I love this. It is so soft, you guys. I wish you could feel it. You can see it through the camera. What I noticed is I didn't get too many bottoms in this, which is why I've been hesitant to buy it, because last time I got a boatload of obnoxious skirts that are still for sale. I still haven't sold. I have sold a majority of it. I did make my money back, but still, I'm glad I didn't get that again, a repeat of that. So this is Jones, New York, size small. Just like a marbled black and gray short sleeve tank. It's really nice. Next two are striped. So this is, let's see. So this is $8.60, and you can see it's a green and gray striped 3/4 sleeves. It's like a tunic. No size on this. Let me check the bottom and see. Oh, super washed. So I'll just have to do the measurements with this. Another brand I have not heard of. Next set of stripes we have. No tag again. Let's see if it's down bottom. Alright, so no tag with the size, no tag with the brand. So it is striped, black and white. Kind of hurts my eyes to look at it. Looks like it might be cropped. It's cute, I just don't know any information about it. Last few items we have right here. I can't believe this box is moving quick. Okay, so this is INC International Concepts Petite. I have gotten them in this box before, and I have sold it. Didn't sell for too much, but I mean it did sell. So it doesn't have the size, so I'll have to measure it. But it's a black tank and just ruffle detail on it. Next item, elephants. This is Sundance, size medium, long sleeve shirt with just various elephants on it. Next item is Loft, size medium. Is a navy blue sweater. You can see the design on the front and then the black. The back is just plain. Nice. I think we have 2 more items in this box, so let's see what they are. Yep, so 2 more items. So this is Gap, new with tag. Every single one of my boxes, I kid you not, I get at least 1 new with tag. Usually it's multiple new with tags. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll leave all of my ThredUp unboxing videos in the description below. You can watch, see all the goodies that I've gotten. This is a short sleeve Gap black shirt, extra small. You can see the detailing on the sleeves. Love it. My last item right here. I think this is a dress. Yes. So this is Anne Klein, size small. It is a dress, and it is in really good condition. So it's black, gold, and white. I love it. This is like a really cute work dress for somebody if you're going back to work, or if you lost your job with COVID. You can wear this to an interview and land it, of course. So that was my last item, 25 items from ThredUp. Again, I paid $60, well, $65.99 with shipping for this box. For 25 items, I think I got a good deal. You guys will have to let me know what your favorite piece was in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.